Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. The connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for installation. Lift the cover on the connector. To do so, pull both sides apart and raise the cover by pushing down on the inside tab. Light force may be necessary to push the tab down. Align the wiper blade with the arm and slide the curved end of the connector into the hook. Pull the blade up or away until you feel it stops in place. Close the cover. You will hear a click. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.